สวัสดีค่ะ and a very good morning to our judges.
I am Tan.
I am Chloe.
And I am I.
We are here on behalf of Rajwargan Court School, and we bring to you today the card game Polynomial Showdown. For our math project this year, we aim to develop an engaging card game that would entertain and educate students.
Polynomial is a fundamental topic covered in grades 7, 8, and 9, and it can often be challenging for students due to the combination of numbering aspects as well as the varying exponent.
That's right, I. In order to add a different method of learning or practicing the operations of polynomial, we came up with this fun card game that we named it Polynomial Showdown.
To play this game, we need 2 to 5 players. Let us first give you a quick description of the types of cards that we have.
In total, we have 82 cards. We have 3 sets of numbered cards from 0 to 9.
For x and y variable, we have 10 cards each.
For the symbol, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We have 5 cards for each of them.
We also included 4 special cards. The first one is variable vertex.
Variable vertex.
If you need an X card but you don't have it, you can use this card on a Y card and change it to the X card. It can be used for changing Y to X as well.
The second special card is the constant converter.
Constant converter.
If you need x or y card and you have this special card, then you can use this special card to change any number card to x or y.
The third special card is simple exchange card.
Symbol exchange.
If you have this card, you can change a plus symbol to minus or minus symbol to a plus, and you can change multiplication symbol to a division symbol or the other way.
And the fourth special card is the difference attack.
Different attack.
You can use this card on your opponent when they have the equation ready. This card will minus 3 points from the total points scored of your opponent. If the player is more than 2, then you can choose the person you want to play the card on.
We would like to quickly show the judges how to play this game.
We distribute 6 cards to each player.
Our goal is to make a complete equation using the cards.
I will start first. I need to do 2 things before the turn is passed over the player. Number 1, if I have a card that I don't want, then I can discard it. This is completely optional. For example, I have 2 multiplication cards here, and I will discard one of them. Number 2, I need to pick up 1 card, and this will end my turn.
We will continue this process until we can make an equation ready. I will also discard this card because I don't want it, and I will pick another card.
In my case, all the cards seem useful, so I will not discard any card for now and I will just pick up a card. Here is one thing. If I have many cards left in my hand after I finish making my equation, then the number of cards in my hand will subtract point and score for equation I made. That's why it is important to be careful to discard or keep the card.
While playing, it's not very important to hide our card from our friend. You can have your card in your hand like this, or you can leave it on the table and balance the equation as the game goes on. The discarded cards here are not used by any player, and the game is not affected by the other player as well.
I would like to continue the game, and let me pick up another card. This time, I don't have any card to discard.
I think I don't have any card to discard too.
I also pick up 1 card and let's assume that pie has run out.
I think I have one equation ready. It is 8y plus y equal to 9y. I am sure it is correct. Do you agree with me?
Yes, that's correct.
I also have an equation ready. It is 9y divided by 3y equals 3.
That's great too.
My question is, x multiplied by y equals xy.
Good job, Floyd. You got it. Let's pause for a moment here. Dear judges, as you can see in this gameplay here, we all got our equation ready. This won't happen in the real game. Whoever gets an equation right will count their score, put card aside, and continue picking card to make another equation.
The game will stop if the card is one of the pile. My friend I will explain the score system.
Let me now explain how we count the score. All the cards have the score value of 1 except the value x and y. The x and y have the score value of 2 points each. For example, my equation has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 points. And she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 points.
I have one card in my hand. She has no card in her hand, and she has 2 cards in her hand. The card in your hand will minus the score from your total score.
The more the players play this game, the better this game gets. We presented this game to our friends back in our school, and they often seem excited to play this game. This game allows the student to get creative with the card. For now, we accept the equation as long as the operation are performed correctly.
This is the end of our presentation. We would be really happy if the judges have time and would be interested to try our game.
Based on the activity and survey that we had, we found out that this game is very fun and enjoyable to use learning polynomials.
I am Tan. ありがとうございます。
I employ Maxine.
And I am I, Sia Sia.
ขอบคุณค่ะ